Yo, my GPU percentage is at 100. I'd be concerned.
Nah.
At that. Oh, hi, where are you?
Where are you?
That's a good question.
Oh, oh, yo, what's up? Why are you jiggle peeking me, but this is not bad.
Wavering, bro. I'm so scared. What's gonna happen?
Come, just follow me,
Wait, let's stay
Trust me,
together.
bro, I know what I'm doing.
Um,
It's all good, bro. Nothing's gonna happen. Alright, bro. What? So what was the point of mine, bro? G?
oh,
Yo,
yeah, key.
you got keys. So I think now we just gotta find the door.
Keys to my apartment? Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, let's
Alright.
go. Open it. Yeah.
Might work.
Yeah, you go first, bro.
I or
Stop!
good shit, bro.
Nice one, bro.
I was scanning my ID card.
Can you fit through it? Try. Sideways.
Yo, what is it? What are there some? What the?
Nah.
Yo, look at what I saw. Look at what I saw.
I'm kind of retarded.
Oh,
Are you serious?
just put, bro, there's ropes there, just click, get them and then click them down. Oh!
Yo, this is where it was. I'm so scared. No.
Bro, it's not. No, it's not. Where did you go?
It's right there, bro. Ball light's right there, bro. Ball light's right there.
Come, listen. Come.
Yo, why is the chicken peeking up? If I just book it, I'm booking it.
Yo, I'm low-key shivering in my boots right now.
Yeah, my balls are shivering.
My ball here is like standing up, man.
Hey, goosebumps, all bumps, bro.
Let's go! Room 2!
Escape level 0. That wasn't even room 1.
I can't open it because I have a flashlight.
Oh no, I have a flashlight. I have a flashlight.
Like blue, red, like some sort of thing, bro. So you gotta
What's
find
this?
it.
What's this?
That's where we came from. Oh? Okay.
That was not the win. Yo,
What is that?
yo,
No.
no.
Is that Khan? Is that Khan? Khan, what's up?
Khan.
Hello?
Yo, why are you chasing us?
Come here, boy!
Khan, I'm sorry for the GTA, Khan, I'm sorry for the...
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'ma just go ahead, okay?
Wait, he's running. Bro, he's in the corner. He's over there. He's on the right.
Get in, bro! Here, bro. I think it's Khan. Go check. Yeah, he's lying. Through that room. Yeah, we haven't noticed. We're chilling now. He won't come.
A few moments later.
Oh, this thing. Yeah, right here, man.
Oh, you have to put. I think you got. Let me see. You can't open the door yet. How many do you need?
No, he's right behind us. Yo, I heard something.
Close it. You can't open doors, right?
Yeah, no, he can't. Oh, wait,
Wait. All sideways, yeah. Okay, let's go.
Yo, that was.
We're low-key cracked.
Yo, man, this is where we came from. Up.
No. See, this door is closed.
Yo, quit the game, bro. Quit the game. It's time to wrap it up. Look at this. We were just here.
Shut up.
Wait, come. Let's take our
I think.
Oh my.
Urinated.
I actually,
Urinated.
I don't know.
Why are you spam opening it?
I'm so scared.
I'm so scared, man. Oh shit.
No, so gotta go.
Run, run. He's there. He's there. He has his flashlight on too.
That's not even possible.
What the
He's right there. He's right there. Run. Alright, sorry, checkpoint. Yo, stay. Go, move, bro. Go.
Thank you for watching till the end, guys. Like and subscribe.